What is up, lock-picking newbie here, and on my last video I raked this ABUS. Let's see if I can get it to focus in. On my last video I raked this lock. It's an ABUS 64 Ti 40. Solid little lock, ABUS, good name, tight keyway. Well, somebody told me they don't think raking a lock really counts as picking it, and suggested that I see if I can single pin pick this ABUS lock. So, challenge accepted. I'm going to use the Genesis kit for this pick. It does open, it's locked. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to use the Genesis kit for this. I'm going to go with the, looks like the 30 thousandths bottom of the keyway, and I'm going to use the shallow hook that came with the kit, and let's get the picking. There's pin 1, 2, 3, nothing, 4, and 5, nothing. Let's come back out. Pin 1, 2, got a good click. 3, 4, got a good click. 5, and there it is, open. So there you have it, single pin pick. The ABUS lock has been defeated. So I understand where someone might think raking doesn't count as picking, but in my opinion, if you open a lock, it doesn't matter how you do it, whether you rake it, rock it, or pick it, if you open it, you've done the job or the task at hand. On that note, that's all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time. As always, have a great day. Lockpicking Newbie out.